Next command is offset command. From here you can select the offset command, and the shortcut for offset command is O. I create a line. I select line command. I select this point, 100 mm line, press enter. Now I select offset command from here. Here are three options. First is through. I select through. I select this line, move cursor in right side and type here dimension. I type here 50 mm, press enter. Again I select this line, move cursor in right side, type dimension. I type here 100 mm, press enter. If I select object and move cursor in left side and specify some distance, I enter here 70 mm, press enter. It will be offset at here 70 mm. Press escape button for exit the command. Again select offset command. Next is erase. I select erase. Here are two options. Erase source object after offsetting. If I select yes, then press enter. Now I select this object and offset it here 100 mm. Press enter. It will erase the original source object and create one offset line. Again I select offset command, type space, now select erase. This time I select erase source object, I select no, press enter. Now I select this line, move cursor in left side and type here dimension 50 mm, press enter. Now this object is not erased. The last one is layer command. When we select layer, here are two options, current layer and source layer. If we select current layer, then it will be offset the line which is the current layer, and if we select source layer, then it will create the line with source layer. We will discuss about layer properties later. Now I create a circle. I select circle command and draw one circle here. Now I select offset command, press enter, select this circle, type a distance. I type here 150 mm, press enter. Again I select offset command, press enter, select this circle, move inside the circle and draw one offset circle here, 10 mm, press enter. The circles which we offset will be concentric. Concentric means these all circles have same center point at this position. We can also offset the rectangle or any other profile, like draw one rectangle here. I select offset command, press enter. I select this rectangle, move cursor outside and type dimension. I type here 50 mm, press enter. It will create a offset rectangle at 50 mm distance. Again I select offset entities, press enter, select this rectangle, offset it here 150 mm, press enter. It will create a inside. Now I select this rectangle, move cursor outside, it will draw outside, type a distance, I type it 10 mm, press enter. From here you can undo the command and from here you can exit the command.